Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you gorgeous people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away, because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. I am so freaking excited about this month's BoxyCharm because I have been so good and I did not see a single damn spoiler. Usually I'll be scrolling through Instagram or some shit and I'll see something that they're gonna put in the box, but this month, nothing. But for those of us who might be a little bit unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it's a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month you get over $100 worth of full-size luxury beauty items, and honey, these bitches do not fuck around. I have my entire makeup collection on shelves and drawers sitting right next to me, and a lot of it is from really expensive brands that I probably wouldn't have been able to afford had it not been for BoxyCharm. Holy shit, I just spit like a cup of spit out, what the fuck? This subscription though is definitely a very good way to build your makeup collection up with good products. A lot of times we'll get things from like Tarte, Ofra. I don't know that there's a major brand that hasn't been in this box yet. I'm sure there has been, but we just get a very good selection of shit in here. And like usual, anytime I get anything for free, I will always let you know. That's how we do it on this channel. We're friends, we're family, and BoxyCharm does provide the service to me at no charge to review for you, but does that mean I'm a sugarcoat a damn thing? Fuck no. If I like something in here, I'll tell you. If I hate it, I'll let you know. And truthfully, anytime I've gotten a bad product in a box, it's totally canceled out by the good items in the box. Like, I think the worst thing I've gotten is a nail polish, which what the fuck am I gonna do with that? But in that same box, I also got like an Ofra lipstick, a Tarte palette, a blush, and something else. Point of the damn story is I really like this subscription. And if at any point throughout this video you decide, hey, I kind of fucking love that box, and you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, BoxyCharm was kind enough to provide me with a link down below for you to use, but please do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it, I'm just saying. Alright, well, that was a mouthful and not the kind that I like. But let's go ahead and open this little beast up. And I love the surprise element that this box has, so I'm not even gonna look in it, and they do include a card on the very top, which also lists the products. I'm not gonna look at that, but I do want to see what theme we have, and this month's theme is BoxyCharm Road Trippin'. Ooh, y'all be sexy. I love that they include boxy babes, like get it girls. But I'll put that to the side for now, and let's go ahead and dig deep for our first product. And we have something square. Is it finally that box of magnums? No, it is Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, which is in the shade 05 Desert Rose. Not gonna lie, I do get a little bit nervous when BoxyCharm sends out products like this because I know it's not gonna match everyone. Oh my. It sounds shaky. Hopefully it's not broken. Oh, no, it's not. Oh my gosh, that's actually a really pretty color. I think that might work for me. This is fucking perfection. This is the one that I normally use. It's Satin Coral by Essence. Love the shit out of it. It's so cheap, but it's really good. And this is the one they sent me. It's just a little bit more vibrant and deeper, but I think it'll still be perfect. Oh shit, she fancy up in here. It also comes with a little tiny brush. I am never ever going to use that. Thank you for including it though, but I'm just gonna keep that in there. Ooh, damn, that is soft. Let's see what we're looking at. Ooh, fuck. That is very pigmented for a blush. I'm gonna have to be super careful when I apply that shit. I already look like a damn clown half the time on this channel. Really don't need to accentuate that. Okay, so I'm reading the little description on the back, and you can definitely tell this was written by somebody whose native language is not English. In fact, I'm pretty sure this is made in Hamburg, Germany, but it's distributed out of California. But it says for all skin types, while it cares all day long with argan oil it contains, it also brightens your face with its formula that does not dry the skin. Does not contain paraben. Apply a little amount of product with circular movements from cheekbone to upper ear with a brush. Dermatologist tested. Okay. There you go. It says right there, made in Turkey. Very nice. And I'm trying to hide everything else that's on this sexy little card, but they say this Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Brusher retails for 12 bucks. Not bad. This is designed to work with all skin types. The luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this low compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. Very nice. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, is this a lip product? No, it's a volume and curl mascara. Ew. Oh my. Ooh, and look at that wand. Ain't nobody ever say there's something wrong with a little bit of curve. This is the Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and that's really the only information that's on this. It doesn't say whether or not it's waterproof. I'm guessing that means it's not waterproof, which does kind of bum me out because I have really watery eyes. But this Wander Beauty Mascara retails for $24. Okay. That is very expensive, but we only paid $21 for the box, so it's really not that big of a deal. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. This mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. Not bad at all. Let's see what else we have in here. Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage. Oh, it's a depuffing gel. I don't know if y'all are familiar with Dr. Brandt, but this is a very, very expensive and kind of luxurious brand, but I feel like we've gotten a product from them in almost every box. Let me just squirt a tiny bit on my hand, not that it's puffy or anything. What the fuck? Why won't it come out? Oh, there it goes. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, and it's not fragrance. Thank you. The back says, after your normal eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between the fingers and gently pat directly on the bags and dark circles. Use alone or under eye makeup for best results. Dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. But this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage retails for $42. See what I'm talking about? This shit is pricey. BoxyCharm says, goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extract, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. For fuck's sake, bathe me in that shit, honey. Next up, we have a little tube of something. Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Oh my. Oh damn. Okay. Oh fuck, am I breaking this? Oh. Wait. Oh, I get it, I think. Wait. Okay, it took me a second, but we got there. So the little brow tint is on this side, and then it has a nice little brush on it. That's actually kind of very fucking cool. So let me just put this back, and we will go ahead and use that later. It actually does look like a really good color match for me. This Chella Beauty, I'm not sure how to say that, but it retails for 26 bucks. That is expensive, damn. But they say add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. Ooh, I'm glad it lasts all night because we never know what this face is gonna be up to at 3 in the morning. And I believe we have one more item in here. It does feel like it's getting kind of light. What is this, a palette? Ooh, shit, we got a Crown Brush palette, aka Morphe. Yes, bitch! I know we've gotten things from Crown Brush before, but I don't know if they've been entire palettes. Ooh, actually, this is really good quality shit. Like, it has a nice hefty weight to it, and the bitch is magnetized. Like, you go, girl. But let's see what we have. Ooh, yes, a nice nude palette. Just what the world needs. No, but for real, this actually is a very, very pretty palette. Let's go ahead and do some swatching. And, oh shit, I already swatched on this hand. Okay, let's go right there. Ooh, very nice. Damn, that actually is really nice. Well, shit on a shingle, I am very excited to use this. So let's go ahead and create a little look using these. For foundation, I've been addicted to this color pop. I'm using Light 75, but this is my shit. And then to highlight under my eyes, I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution stick in the shade F3. And for concealer, some amazing cosmetics in the shade Fair. And let's get right into the eyes. So to prime them, I'm using NYX's Shadow Base. And I personally don't like sticky liquids on my eyes, so I'm gonna let that primer kind of chill for a while and do our brows. So let's dip into this guy. And just to warn you, I don't go ape shit with my brows. I just kind of fill them in. I don't do like Instagram brows and chisel them out or anything. But let's dip this little bitch in and see what comes out. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh, that actually isn't that bad of a shade. Okay. Truthfully, I'm not that upset about this. Like, it looks really good on my brows. Like, I'm able to kind of fade it out a bit. Okay, so for me, this is about as good as my eyebrows will get. I don't really have any complaints for that. So let's move on to eyeshadow with this Crown Brush Fuego eyeshadow collection. I did forget to say that it's $30. But I kind of want to keep this look on the more simple glam side today, so let's, with a fluffy brush, dip into this shade right here. And let's work that right in the crease. Ooh, damn daddy, you go on nice. Like, I probably swiped back and forth maybe 10 times and the shit's already blended out. Ooh, I fucking love when eyeshadows are good quality. Like, we've tested so many shadows on here that are just shit, and you try to blend them out and they turn even shittier and you just end up with a pile of shit on your face. But this is very easy to work with so far. I am a bit surprised though that they put such a fall toned palette in this box, because we're not even halfway through summer. You'd think this would be like a colorful palette. But whatever, I'm just gonna keep on blending these out. And just as a nice base for the lower lash, let's take a little bit of that same shadow right down there too. Then to deepen it up a little bit, I'm gonna mix these two shadows right here. And let's focus that and really blend it out right here on the outer corner. And then once that's nice and blended out, kind of edge it into the crease. And with this deepest shade right here, I'm taking it on a flat brush and starting to draw a little bit of a wing, which I am gonna actually blend out. But we'll take it out about right there and then slowly start to fade it out above the crease line. And slightly buff that shit out with a clean fluffy brush. Let's also take a little bit of that same shade right on the lower lash. I know this looks very sloppy and messy right now, but once we put everything together, I swear it'll look good. Then to highlight the brow bone, let's dip into this light shade right here and ever so gently place the teeniest bit right about there. Then for the rest of the lid, I'm gonna take this kind of peachy goldish shade. Ooh, that seems to have a bit of follow palette, so why don't I spray that with some setting spray? And, oh, fuck me. Oh my god. Like, just look at that. Oh, shit, that color's pretty. And just to see what it would look like, let's take a little bit of this reddish shade right here on a flat brush and kind of place it about halfway on the eye. It's not really adding like a ton of color, but it's adding enough to give this look a real depth. And then to highlight the inner corner of the eye, let's dip back into this light shade and place this right there. Oh shit. Let's go in with a bit of brown liner on the bottom. Actually, just kidding, I want black instead. And let's try this mascara out. Oh my god. Holy shit, that's actually really nice. Wow, I mean, I don't really have that long of lashes. They'll never be long and voluptuous like they claim they will be, but still. Oh, fucking, I actually do really like this curved wand. Like, it makes it a lot easier to get right down to the base. Damn. And here I am creaming myself over this mascara, and you probably can't even see it on my eyes, but it does look really good, and it feels really comfortable. Like, so far, it's not heavy or anything. So, let's go ahead and put on some falsies. For lips, let's go in with ColourPop's Pinkies Up. Maybe not. Instead, let's try Kat Von D's Nosferatu. No, that's not right either. What the fuck? Okay, last try. We're gonna go for an orange lip and an orange eye. So I'm gonna go in with Wet n Wild's Pouts of Paradise and Featherless. Fuck me, this is a lip gloss, not a lipstick. Damn it! Oh, I don't like the brown either. Ah, fuck it. We're just gonna leave it. Let's finish this look up with some blush. So for that, I'm using this Luxie 640 brush. Let's gently tap into that. And... oh shit. I put on way too fucking much. Holy hell. God damn. Okay, but when you blend it out, it actually is a really pretty color. It might be a little bit too deep for me though. I don't know. Let me put some on this side and hopefully this side I don't fuck up. Yes, there we go. That is a really pretty blush. Let's just redo that highlight a little bit though. Ooh. And here we are with the final look. The lips. Oh, fuck, I gotta change these out. Actually, no, we are just gonna live with this. For the most part, I think I actually really liked everything. Like, the eyeshadow is super comfortable on the eyes, as is the mascara. For the brows, I'm honestly not a person that regularly does their brows and chisels them out, so I think it's a good product. The blush, I think it's a beautiful shade, but you do have to be incredibly light-handed with it, otherwise it's gonna look like you got punched. And this little guy, I'll just have to update you on my social media as to how it is, so make sure you follow me. But overall, I'm very happy with this month's box. The total for everything that we got is over $130, and we only paid 21 bucks, so I think that's pretty damn good. I don't think there's any products in here that I'm actually upset about. Like, everything seems to be products that I'll use. So once again, good job, BoxyCharm. Like I said before, if you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use the link down below, but do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplicks.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepoplicks.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.